Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first we have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the storage. So let's go for the Smart Manager, tap on the storage and click to free up the space. Here we are able to select all the files that we want to clean. So I'm going to take off unused application, click free up, tap remove. We don't want to turn it on automatically, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.